surprise to anybody because word gets around the dressing room, oh, he's not quite as good as he was last season and so on.
Yeah, and even though this is an exhibition event, I'm sure the defending champion in Djokovic will want to win this again. The campaign this year off to a good start. He's a dangerous opponent, Almagro, as we've seen.
Yeah. 250,000 US dollars to the winner. On a winner-take-all basis, but obviously the players will be well rewarded for coming here in the first place.
Be nice to know, wouldn't it? When Almagro got the call, Christmas time. Well, that's very nice to be invited. Thank you, yes, Mr. Agent, who phoned him. What's the deal? I'm sure it covered his Christmas present, Dos, but...
As I was going to say, I don't think you and I would have thought for more than half a second.
On the right side of his line.
Challenge. Djokovic is having a little look. No, that was good.
15-30.
Timely challenge. Of 30.
Did well on the important moments in this match.
40-30.
Under the 2 break points he faced in the 6th game, 1 service winner, 1 ace.
That last ace was his quickest. It was 131 miles per hour. Staggering to think Sam Groth hit one at 164 miles per hour, the quickest ever.
Sam Groth, an Australian, that was in the Challenger in Korea, wasn't it? Last season, this year.
Did he win the point, do you know?
No, I don't. Now then, the one thing Almagro certainly doesn't want to do is to concede his serve right at the start of the 2nd set. Sort of takes the wind out of his sails a little. There is the first break serve of the match. Ironic, really. And Djokovic is right back in it.
So often happens, doesn't it? It's like a team conceding a goal just before or just after half-time. Classic moments when the mind can just wander a little. Especially when you've taken the first set against the world #1. The opponent was never beaten, never taken a set off until before the 8 years ago at the Challenger, as you mentioned. Good variety from Djokovic too.
And quite a few at the body.
Fifteen all. Fifteen all. 15-30.
Well, forehand's been a real problem area for Djokovic in the last 15-20 minutes.
That's all.
He deals with that short ball of this forehand so well, Djokovic. It's an awkward shot to deal with. A good serve, a bunted return. He's hit winners off it every time in this match so far.
Yes.
Yet another error. Yes, she's looking a little grim at the moment.
Advantage. Almagro.
So the opportunity for Almagro to strike right back.
Yes. Advantage. Djokovic. Yes.
First double fault of the match.
Advantage. Almagro.
Well, it is extraordinary. Yesterday's play was immaculate, but at the moment, Djokovic just lost the forehand.
He's just lost his discipline mentally, isn't he? Which is very surprising. You have to keep reminding yourself it's an exhibition event.
No breaks in the first set. We start the second with 2.
Love 15.
You see him smile. Looks like a teddy bear, doesn't he? He almost looks like an assassin at times.
Yeah, I was going to say sometimes he looks like a grizzly bear.
15 all.
Both having a bit of a lull into that opening set. Too good. That is magnificent use of the wrist. Beat Djokovic with pace.
30 all.
That's more like the tennis that Djokovic produced yesterday. Fantastic defense and then compelling counter-attack.
30-40.
The Grizzly Bears back. Went for a third straight break then.